Alright.
Nice. I'll call that good.
Fancy feast.
Now that I've hit every single one, damn near. I'm out.
The middle ones sound a lot more solid, don't they?
Yeah.
Because it's that brace in the back, there's like no give. Oh shit.
Okay, fire when ready.
You call it. Am I hit?
Top right
Top right.
in the box.
Alright.
Oh, wow. Perfect. In the little box.
Fucking A right. It's dead shot.
Same target.
Okay. Right on it. There it is.
There we go.
Centered!
Clear and
I
safe.
love it. Alright, you clear?
Yep. Shooter stand by.
Alright, I'm ready.
Send it. I think you hit the hole.
I think so too. Close enough.
Go on top right again.
Alright, ready when you are. Double hole.
Beautiful. Sick.
You want to go first?
Sure.
It's your steel.
We're gonna do this right. We'll take a few shots each, I think.
Alright.
See what happens. What's your prediction?
Here's full metal, FMJs.
Yep.
I don't know. I think, because I mean, you look at mine, they're tipped with lead.
Oh yeah, soft tips.
Soft tips, yeah.
I think mine is gonna.
Puncture. I mean, that's got.
I think it's going to, but I don't think the hole is gonna be clean. I think it's gonna be small.
Okay. I think mine are gonna either ping off it or I don't know.
Only one way to find out, right?
And that thing's not in the. It's not in the ground hard enough where it's gonna hit it and come back at us. So I think it's gonna fling it up.
It'll splatter off. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, give me a sec. Alright, I'm on it.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Go for it.
Center mass.
I think that went right through. I can see the hole.
Yep. I see daylight.
Yeah. My turn.
Your turn.
You cocksucker. Fucking rifle.
This works out really good. Lefty on the left, righty on the right. Our bullets don't, like our spent casings
No
don't
brass.
hit each other.
Alright, I'm ready.
Fire one ready.
Center mass.
Oh, a little high left, but yours bored a hole right through it too.
Yeah. Dope.
One more each.
Why not? Same time.
Let's go. Yeah, I was gonna say synchronized shot.
Alright, so what do you want to do? 3, 2, 1, fire?
Yeah,
So we'll count 3, 2, 1, bang.
we'll pull the trigger on after one.
Yeah. So do it in time. 3, 2, 1, bang.
Okay. Let me know when you're set.
Alright, I'm good. I'll count it down. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. There it is.
Dude, you should see mine.
You're right on below the one. You're right on top of it.
Clear and safe. Sweet.